Boy, it's 40 degrees plus. It is hot. So I've had 3 birds in the sick bay. The 3 birds died, unfortunately. The straight red, the pied red, and the red white-beard died. These are all birds that have flown, have gone away because of the hawk, come back a day or 2 later. So I'm thinking wherever they've landed, wherever they've been, they've picked up something, which is terrible. But I separated them as soon as I saw signs of something not good. In a couple of days they were gone. So thank God all these guys are alright. Especially that big monster over here. He's going to be a top flyer. And these blues are amazing. That blue is from that straight red line, so that's good. Put those pair back together now that we know what they do. Wow. That checker's flying. The Vesa one's going up. These 2 little beards are going up. Tipplers are doing great. That one that got hawked did come back 2-3 days later. It's not showing any signs of sickness though, which is great. So hopefully that one's going to heal and get better. And we can put that for flying again. And then there's some that are molting pretty bad, like that one over there, so that's going to be flying, but nothing much right now. That young male flying pretty good, as this one. These ones are doing alright. This one needs to molt. So yeah, got a good strong group growing. We'll be breeding again in probably a month, and we'll be breeding for people that want to buy. I might be selling some older birds or whatever. See how we go. So I put the 2 saddles away. This one I gotta put it in the sick bay because that's showing the same signs, unfortunately. And we'll take it from there. But the rest are amazing. So this must have picked up from the other birds. Yeah, this blue, that young blue, flying hours now, done great. That one's flown over an hour and a half-ish. That's the best one. Where's that other blue? He's always hiding under there. He's done 2.5 already. So that's good. As soon as there's a hen from the red one, that one there. As soon as she molts her wings, she'll be doing even better. But she'll be up there for sure. This one was up there. I don't remember if it was the black white-haired baldy or whether it was that checkering one over there. One of them was up there as well. There were 6 up there, like crazy specks. I tried recording it, couldn't get nothing. It's not worth showing. Yeah, it's a hot day. Gotta give them fresh water. Put this one aside. And that's it. So after those 3 died, we'll still have about 20 flies. But even if we get a 7-8 group, that's fine. We're going to get there. Now I'm just not going to push them. Now I'm just going to let them molt. They've already molted a few wing feathers. past this hot weather. It's very bad summer right now. And then once we get some more young ones going, like the ones that really need to be molted. That one over there. There, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We'll have 20 flies. Oh, and the blue one that's hiding, it's 21. And then we've got these two, that's 23. 23 flies. But if we even get six or 7, 2 groups, 14 of them, happy with that. It's going to be good. It's going to be good though. Once you separate them, put the breeders in here. Put these guys on the upside, and then we're talking.